Welcome back, viewers. The technology in this world just grows much rapidly and have changed many impossible and unimaginable things happen. In that order, there is a technological thing which turned the impossible thing of giving back sight to a person come true. Yes, it's the Bionic Eye. Now let's explore. It is a visual device which restores and gives back sight to a person. It is a colloquial name given to visual prosthesis, that is referred as the Bionic Eye, which is an experimental visual device which intends to restore functional vision to people. It's mainly used for people who suffers from partial blindness or to people who are completely blind, which is a helpful futuristic technology. Now let's see about its invention. It was invented in the year 2007 and when a trial was launched. And after all approvals and rights, it was finally approved in the year 2013 February. And it was invented by Mark Humayun, who is the Pakistani American, a ophthalmologist, engineer, scientist and an inventor. Also, he is the only ophthalmologist ever to be elected as a member of both US nations Academics of Engineering as well as the Academics of Medicine. Also, he had won the US highest award for technological achievement, and he is to receive the prestigious National Medal of Technology and Innovation from Obama in USA. Now let's look about the first Bionic Eye. Yes, it was the Argus, which is Argus 1 and 2, which is the first Bionic Eye system in this world. The Argus 1 was released in the year 2007 and the Argus 2 was released in the year 2009. Now let's see about the basic working of a Bionic Eye. A video camera which is fitted to the pair of glasses which captures and processes the images, which was quickly then transmitted wirelessly to a bionic implant at the back of eye, which stimulates the dominant optic nerves to generate light that forms basis of images in brain and finally provides idea and a complete vision to the person. The people who suffer from retinal based problems and people who have lost their vision due to disorders such as age related macular degeneration and retinitis pigmentosa are eligible to use this, and all people are not eligible to use this is a notable one. Now let's see some in depth about its working. The two photoreceptors present in our eye, rods and cones, which are responsible for our eyes to be sensitive to light and for the vision of colors. When they are destroyed, the vision gets lost. Sometimes it may result in permanent damage of the optic nerve and may not in sometimes. At these cases, the bionic eyes are used. At this time, it works as a functional part of eye and gives back the vision to the person. Now let's see about some features about it. This huge technology which is much helpful and have restored many people's vision and given them a second chance of life in this world. And it costs about 1,50,000 American dollars, which is equal to 11 million rupees. And it is a much human system compatible technological one, which even allows us to cry as if with our own natural eyes. But it's much demandable one which is only available at few centers, even only at USA. It mainly allows them to be mobile and independent with their own vision and sight. We hope that you enjoyed this video and known some facts and features about the Bionic Eye. Also share this video with your friends to share this information with them. Thanks for watching, keep supporting.